Rasta Meditation yakin about Zion roots. Don't know.
Like the herb, open the mind yet. Meditate. Ancient vibes float on the breeze. Inner peace. The roll slow like ritual prayer. Sacred fear. Ganja whisper knowledge soft and deep. Secrets keep. Me hear elder tone in the smoke swirl. Truth unfurl. Herb not teach me fi run from pain. Explain. It show me pain as teacher guide. From inside. Every puff echo the hidden side. Ganja wisdom right for me soul. Scroll. Natural code help me stay whole. Control. Me nah glorify misuse and loss. True cause. Discipline keep the lesson clean. Clear scene. Herb amplify what already there. Self-aware. Pure intention keep the vision sharp. Mind spark. Me sit quiet, let the thoughts align. Divine. Smoke trip slow like the ancient spit. Encrypted. Me read me lines of life. Knowledge pause come leads to mind. True time. Me carry wisdom forward strong. Yeah, teach without words loud. No crowd. Ganja wisdom, sacred page. Every age. Herb reveal, but we choose way. Night and day. When smoke fade, truth remain. Stay. Na. Last flame burn, but me calm still. Iron will. End of chapter, start of rise. Clear eyes. Me journey long from ghost to light. Countless nights. Every scare right page in me book. Hard look. Me stand firm pon lesson learned. Wisdom earned. Me flame now steady, not wise spark. Leave mark. Me control heat, me shape me fate. Create. fame, name. What me leave behind is more than songs. Solid grow, solid grow. The past touch without regret. Respect. New fire rise, but me roots remain same chain. And I mean me done me roll full soul. Cycle turn, but me flame alive. Stay dry. And I'm big deal and touch same line. Divine final flame, eternal glow, still flow. Final flame, carry on through the sun. From spark to fire, truth remains. Final flame. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Heavy weight from my chest till me breathe. Pressure teach me how to believe. Dark tunnel, small light still shine. Guide my time. Pressure squeeze, but me backbone firm. Lesson learned, me now fall when the system press stress test. Heat turn carbon into shine. Same sign, what them call burden, we call design. Align. We step through fire with open eye, no cry. Every trial called me clarity, strategy. Being sharp in focus like blade edge. Knowledge. Pressure make diamond bright up at night. Pressure make diamond strong all along. Pressure make diamond bright up at night. Pressure make diamond strong all along. We now beg ease before me ready, steady. Comfort never build warrior mind. Refine me, welcome testers right of path. Solid mind. When me finally blow, they be surprised. This time, them never see the pressure day. Obvious. What break weak makes strong shine by these days. Pressure make diamond real. Hard spill. Pressure make diamond rise. Feel rise. Pressure make diamond real. Hard spill. Pressure make diamond rise. Feel rise. From death to brilliance pure. Tabaiza mkazi wa ikalio sajamba. Do noise when me win me race. Still fierce, victory silent, heavy and real. How it feel? Me not announce me moves them loud. No crowd, progress quiet like seed in soil, patient tile. While them caught me build me lane. True rain, true rain, true rain, true rain. Me train discipline in shadow space, private pace. No applause when me hard learn fight. Late night, victory is sweeter when all seen. Silent coal, yeah, burned alone. Solid stone, silent coal, yeah, calm and true, true. Enough, let's trophy fi impress I. Why? Results speak when me step arrive, verified. We let work up, long and clear. Severe, severe. Pain and patience walk me road, heavy load. We never fit when doubt dead load. Unbowed, when spotlight finally turn we way. Same humble spirit, same calm tone, fully grown. Quiet grind, below success. No stress. Solid down, silent cola, strong and deep. Roots keep. Silent victory, no regret. Set me win without show. Tie song, solid ground, silent cola, strong and deep. Roots keep.
Aye, aye, aye. Smoke a spliff with Zion. Reggae, yeah, man.
Stand so tall upon the hill, tower God by just strong will. Beacon bright for all to see, symbol of eternity, stone of yeah. Bamba gold inna the bambos, yeah man. Early morning, sun arise, steam arise from the chalice eye. Me sit by tree, birds them sing, meditation deep, me feel everything. Me nah rush, me nah chase goal, me just a vibe, let the wisdom unfold. Me light one draw, me soul get calm, inna the silence, me hear just sound. One draw, one love, rising high like a dove, from roots to the star above. Me carry the fire, me carry the love. One draw, one soul, freedom deep, me feel whole. Me burn it slow, me take control. The healing green, it play me role. Me walk barefoot pan sacred land, feel the heartbeat of Jahan. Me no need no chain or car, me ride rhythm from near to far. I tell in a pot, steam well nice, pepper, coconut, herbs and spice. Me chant for joy, me chant for peace, me chant until the trouble cease. Smoke curl like spiral sky, take me high but keep me wise. It no a job, it a holy thing, like drums that talk like Lion King. Me burn the chalice, not fi hide, but fi open gates on the inside. Me float, me fly, but me still stay. One foot on earth, one foot in Yahweh. One draw, one love, me link me mind to stars above. No hate, no war, no shove, just peace and vibes like turtle dove. One draw, one soul, me heal me heart, regain control. In a light, me play me role, me reggae keep me spirit whole. Me see the youth them gather round, with Naya bingy drum and sacred sound. We burn the fire, we sip some tea, we chant till the mind walk free. Me tell them breathe, hold firm and clear, each breath a step, fi draw ya near. Them not done hum, like river run, this reggae vibe a just begun. One draw, one draw, one love, one fire, Rasta guide from up above. One draw, one love, one fire, Rasta guide from up above.
Na 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 na. Smoke a spliff inna the nature, yeah man. Inna the hills where the sun touch land, me build me temple with me own two hand. Surrounded by trees, a river run clear. No noise of machine, only nature me hear. Me light up the fire, me chant in peace. Me burn the herb and me soul release. Each draw a journey, each breath a guide. Me no need no riches when Jah provide. In a Ganja Temple, me elevate. Me nah hesitate fi liberate. One spliff, one love, me meditate. No hate can penetrate. In a Ganja Temple, we nah pretend. From roots to crown, we transcend. Jah call I and I ascend. In a sacred fire without end. Them say me mad, them say me lost, but me live good without the cost. No plastic smile, me now wear mask. Me live free, that's me only task. Me chant for the youth in a Babylon. Me tell them truth, them can't unlearn, but me nah preach war or fight. Me show them them star and guide them light. So me sit in a silence, deep in a trance. Me soul do a mystic dance. Each leaf a scripture, each puff a psalm. Me heart beat steady, me soul stay calm. Me not chase fame, me no beg likes. Me just walk truth, me ride me bike with the herb in a me pack and the drum in a me soul. Me chant fi heal and make them whole. In a Ganja Temple, me elevate. Me nah rush, me meditate. Me mind pure like spring we run. Me spirit rise up like the sun. In a Ganja Temple, me feel Jah near. Me hear the voice only love can hear. No fear, just clear vibration. Me live for the next generation. Me see me brethren chanting a grove. Them foot bear, them chanting code. Me see string bread up like lioness. She hold the chalice and smoke the stress. The elders speak in ancient tongue. Them say hold firm youth, your journey just begun. So me listen deep, me humble now. Me learn the secrets of the sacred vow. Now me rise up from the ground. Ganja Temple a holy sound. No concrete, no wall of sin. Just wind and drum and truth within. If you seek Jah, come trod this way. Me greet you a dawn with a chalice and pray. In a this temple, no man rule, just roots, reggae and Rasta school.
Across the land, herb feed the people, Babylon can't understand. Green gold treasure make we overstand. Oh, green gold treasure shine bright in me hand. Roll up the vibe, spread love across the land. Herb feed the people, Babylon can't understand. Green gold treasure make we overstand. Oh, wake up early, sun on my face. Step out of me yard, the herb embrace. Call for the crew, it's a natural space. Life's a rhythm, Jah love the bass. Sativa feed the morning, indica feed the night. Balance my spirit, keep me in sight. The earth provide, it's a sacred right. Green gold treasure, my destiny's life. Green gold treasure shine bright in me hand. Roll up the vibe, spread love across the land. Herb feed the people, Babylon can't understand. Green gold treasure make we overstand. Say cushion at the grinder, me say make it fine. Roll it up nice, me feeling divine. The smoke a dance, the spirit align. Green gold treasure, it's just design. Enough strains a come, call them by name. Lemon skunk, white widow, all the same. Blessed vibes, no room for shame. Herb at the healer, break the chains. It's a ganja story for you and me. A gift from Jah, so make it free. The herb I unify, it's the key. Green gold treasure eternally. Green gold treasure shine bright in me hand. Roll up the vibe, spread love across the land. Herb feed the people, Babylon can't understand. Green gold treasure make we overstand. From the mountain a show. Green gold treasure, let the love flow.
Sun kiss the hills, me vision bright. Me sip vital tea, me give thanks for life. No rush, no stress, just vibe so right. Me walk barefoot pan Zion soil. Me plant me seed, me hands in tile. Each breath me take is sacred now. Each step me walk is a sacred vow. This is the Irie Way, the only road through mountain high and valley low. One spliff, one love, and a drum beat flow. We chant for peace wherever we go. This is the Irie Way. Me soul rejoice, Rasta in a eye heart, in a eye vice. No chains, no fear, just open sky. And Jaja always standing by. Chalice fire in a me heart. Me meditate deep, me take it back to start. Me feel the wind whisper ancient tales of prophets and stars and cosmic trails. This life me live is simple true. Me share me herb, me share me view under the moonlight. Me chant psalms, me soul protected, me life calm. Me sistren hum sweet harmony. Me brethren burn herbs in unity. Together we rise like morning sun. Me no walk alone, we all are one. So me light a fire for the next generation. Teach them love and elevation. This are the Irie Way, the realest road. No illusion, no heavy load. Just mystic truth and grounding tone. Me sit on the rock and feel Jah throne. This are the Irie Way, me not turn back. Me ride with Jap on the ancient track. No worry about time, me just align. Me float on the rhythm and sip me wine. The sound of drum is me heartbeat now. Each beat a step in a sacred vow. Me reason with elders under the tree. Them tell I tales of the old Mali. Them say, youth, keep your faith strong. Sing truth, live right. Chant this song, so me do that still. Each word me write. A torch of fire, a guiding light. This reggae way, a more than sound. It's the way me live, it's holy ground. Me temple is earth, me prayer is song. Me herb is healing, me heart is strong. So come if you're tired of the Babylon lie. Come hold a vibe and look to the sky. In a Zion neck pose, the truth will play and show you the Irie Way. na na na. Kali kushina the morning, yeah man. Oh oh. Early morning like kiss the hills. Smoke rising slow, just spirit it feels. I wrap me dread in sacred thought. One love, one heart, everything taught. Roots deep in a mother earth. Meditation bring the soul rebirth. From the chalice me sip wisdom wine. Through herbs and rhythm I realign. It's a lion heart journey. Through smoke and sky we see clear. In a mystic vibration, Jah message we draw near. This a rootsman meditation. In a firelight we chant strong. From Kingston to Zion nation we trod the righteous song. Chanting mantras under the stars. Beats like heartbeat, healing scars. Every drum a ancient prayer. Rasta walk with no despair. We no need no vanity crown. Only ganja steam and solid ground. Me people rise from Babylon dust. In ital food and sacred trust. Breathing deep, the herb is life. Cut through the tension, slice the strife. No gold chain can buy this peace. Only Jah love make war cease. Irie breeze blow through me soul, guiding me spirit to its goal. No clock, no rush, just sacred flow. Where the chalice lights start to glow. This a lion heart journey. Through smoke and sky we see clear. In a mystic vibration, Jah message we draw near. This a rootsman meditation. In a firelight we chant strong. From Kingston to Zion nation we trod the righteous song. In the dance hall of creation, every step a revelation. Me skanking freedom, praise the King. Rhythm of life, hear it ring. No false prophets, hold me faith. Only truth, me cultivate. In the bush, me build me peace. Let Babylon nice decrease. So light up the night, let the fire blaze. Ganja smoke rise in Yahweh praise. Every inhale a sacred rite. Blessed by moon and morning light. We not seek war, we chant for grace. With root reggae, we find our place. So follow the path, lion and free. To the highest heights of unity. Lion heart, lion fire, we chant higher and higher. No more fear, no more pain. Just reggae love like healing rain. Lion heart, lion way. Rasta walking light today. Roots deep, soul fly. Zion echoes, chain or car. Me ride rhythm from near to far. Ital in a pot, steam well nice. Pepper, coconut, herbs and spice. Me chant for joy, me chant for peace. Me chant until the trouble cease. Smoke curl like spiral sky. Take me high, but keep me wise. It no a joke, it a holy thing. Like drums that talk like Lion King. Me bun the chalice, not fi hide, but fi open gates on the inside. Me float, me fly, but me still stay. 1 foot on earth, 1 foot in Yahweh. One draw, one love. Me link me mind to stars above. No hate, no war, no shove. Just peace and vibes like turtle dove. One draw, one soul. Me heal me heart, regain control. In a light, me play, me roll. Me reggae keep me spirit whole. Me see the youth them gather round with Naya bingy drum and sacred sound. We burn the fire, we sip some tea. We chant till the mind walk free. Me tell them breathe all firm and clear. Each breath a step fi Georgia near. Them nod and like river run. This reggae vibe a just begun. One draw, one love, one fire. Rasta guide from up above. Bada boom, bada boom. Rasta cushion at the area, man. Me wake on the hillside, dew still fresh. Me sip the herbal tea, no worry, no stress. In a hammock, swing between the trees. Me feel the breeze, me heart find peace. The drum beat a call from ancient ground. Me close me eye and listen to the sound. Birds sing melodies in a natural scale. Me journey begin on a holy trail. Ganja smoke rise in a spiral high. Me spirit float on the bluest sky. Meditation deep, me no need clock. Me grounded like tree, me firm like rock. Me gather me herbs from the forest way. Blessed by the sun, them shine each day. Ital soup in a clay pot boil, with coconut, yam and sweet olive oil. Me chant Jah Rastafari with soul. Me not chase riches, me not seek gold. Me wealth of peace, me wealth of time. Me soul align like ancient rhyme. Me reason with me brethren pon the porch. Smoke the chalice and the full moon touch. Them Babylon light can't blind me sight. Me vision clear in a starry night. Me see future bright like Zion gate. No hate, just love me now wait. Me walk slow, me talk true. Me live each day like me born anew. Ganja smoke rise in a spiral high. Me spirit float on the bluest sky. Meditation deep, me no need clock. Me grounded like tree, me firm like rock. Me sing for the elders, me sing for the youth. Me sing roots rhythm, me sing the truth. No TV lies, no media fog. Me write me story like log upon log. Me blaze up the chalice in a ceremony. One love, one heart, no enemy. Each draw bring vision, each breath bring grace. Me trod in a Rasta time sacred place. Yeah, herbs and harmony guide me path. Me chant wisdom like ancient craft. No fear in me bones, just sound. Reggae run like river underground. me say to the world, slow down, just be. Sit on stone and watch the tree. Inhale love, exhale pain. Let your vibes fall like blessed rain. Me share me joy with rhythm and tune. Zion echoes, we stand alone in a unity, in a roots delight. Me blaze for peace every day and night.
Zion music. Bless the people, yeah man.
Me step barefoot on the morning dew, which I listen and me trod through. Mountain breeze whisper secrets all. Me heart beat steady, me soul feel bold. Each leaf a teacher, each tree a guide. Me walk with Jah right by me side. Me nah need map, me nah need plan. Jah light me way in this blessed land. Irie Trails where me spirit dance. Hype on herbs in a mystic trance. One draw deep, me mind set free. Me live each moment like eternity. Me sit under fig tree, light me spliff. Give thanks for life, each sacred gift. Bird them chant, river flow sweet. Me chant psalms with ancient beat. No city nice, no digital screen. Me vision clear, me soul stay clean. Meditation roll like thundercloud. Me thoughts come low, me chant out loud. And when Babylon call, me nah hear. Me dwell in peace, far from fear. Me find me joy in the roots and stone. Me build me temple from herbs alone. Me gather herbs in a woven sack. Me carry wisdom on me back. Each leaf a blessing, each draw divine. Me connect with Jah time after time. Irie Trails where me spirit dance. Hype on herbs in a mystic trance. One draw deep, me mind set free. Me live each moment like eternity. Me blaze for the youth, them lost in town, who never feel earth underfoot ground down. Me call them to hills, call them to light. Show them stars in a darkest night. Me share me fruits, me share me flame. One world, one blood, all the same. No ego, no hate, in a me gate. Just love and vibes, me meditate. Yeah, me nah follow trend, me nah wear mask. Me nah chase likes, me nah do task. Me just chant truth like Rasta should. Me live in harmony, me life feel good. So if you seek peace, come trod with I. We'll blaze a spliff beneath the sky. No hurry, no worry, just pure bliss. Each step a prayer, each puff a kiss. Zion echoes echo far and wide. We bring the roots where truth reside. One rhythm, one sound, one eternal flame. And Jah know I never walk in vain.
Meditate with Zion. reggae a man. Oh. Deep blue water, endless tide, ocean of Zion, open wide. Every wave a sacred hymn, flow from Jah and flow within. Babylon tried to build a dam, but ocean stronger than a man. Every drop a holy flame, ocean carry Jah name. Fisherman chant upon the sea, ocean of Zion set him free. Children swim and dolphins play. Ocean guide the righteous way, not of greed, not of war. Ocean carry love ashore. Every tide a holy song, ocean flow forever long. Storm may rise and ships may fall, ocean still embrace us all. No iron chain can bind the wave. Ocean strong, Jah people say. Rivers run from mountain high. Ocean meet the open sky. Endless circle, truth remain. Ocean wash away the pain. Travel far from shore to shore. Ocean show Jah evermore. Ancient mariner lift the hand. Ocean guide him to the land. Babylon fleet may boast and roam, but ocean crush them to the floor. Jah creation pure and white. Ocean of Zion rising tide. Songs of whales beneath the deep. Ocean sing while people sleep. Every creature, great and small. Ocean cradle carry all. No beginning, no end to see. Ocean chant eternity. Everlasting, never gone. Ocean sing Jah holy song. Flow, flow, mighty tide, carry people far and wide. Wash the sorrow, cleanse the land. Ocean move by Jah hand. Ocean of Zion, wide and strong, carry the people all along. From the river to the sea, ocean chant eternity. Forever flowing, pure and free. Ocean guide humanity.
Aye, aye, aye. Smoke a kush with safe kaya man. Me rise up early with the sun, chant a prayer before the day begun. Me hand in soil, me mind at peace. Planting roots, feel love increase. Me herb garden lush and green, sweetest scent you ever seen. Me pick a bud, me feel so free. Me give thanks for Jah remedy. In a one love herb garden, we grow truth.
stress and hustle, war and strife. Me find me joy in leaf and land, in ganja smoke and jaja hand. Me burn a spliff, fi clear me sight. Me vision bright like starry night. Me hear the earth, she talk to me. Through every leaf, me spirit free. In a one love herb garden, we grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke roll like the morning mist. Every draw a sacred twist. Meditation time pon the stone me sit. Inhale the wisdom, exhale the wit. No rush life, me slow the pace. Me find your life in every space. Rasta not stray from Jah way. Me burn the chalice every day. Unity grow like the seed in a soil. Love is me harvest, peace me tile. Me share me bud with brethren true. We pass it round, good vibes renew. No judgment here, just open door. Me garden full, but always more. Me teach the youth to plant and grow. Not just herb, but art, you know. The land a teacher, herb a guide. Just spirit always deep inside. In a one love herb garden, me heart beat like Naya Bingy drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun. We chant till the Babylon done.
Zion brother, let the session begin. Yeah man. Born in a little village pon the hillside breeze, under star sky and mango trees. Me mama chant psalms by the firelight. Me papa build roof before the daylight. Me nah know city, me nah know war. Me only know love, me only know star. God them call me name from the field. Nature teach me what man conceal. Me barefoot run through the wet red clay. Me spirit rise with each break of day. No Wi-Fi but me connected deep to the moon, the tide to me soul's keep. Me a Rasta Born from me ear to me soul. Me walk Jah way, me never lose control. Me chant and plant, me drum and dance. Life sweet like ital, pure like trance. Me a Rasta Born, in a love me grow. From root to fruit, me truth them show. No riches, but me rich in grace. Me live each day with a smiling face. Me burn herb for the healing, not for hype. Me meditate when the stars align right. Me sit under tree, reason with thyself. Me nah look fame, me look soul wealth. Me find beauty in rain pan zinc, in a sister laugh and a brother's wink. Me take time for the sunrise glow, each moment sacred, slow and low. Me sing for Jah, me sing for earth, me sing for the people who know them worth. Me no want status or no crown, just a hammock swing and the root sound. Me say, let the breeze blow me dread, let the smoke curl high, let the bird fly free. Me nah ask why. Me bless every meal, me bless every tone. Me heart find home when me there alone. I tell still bubble, me sister numb sweet. Life in the hills, it complete. Me strum me guitar while rain fall light. This life not loud, but it feel right. Me a Rasta Born with a lion heart. Me nah fake smile, me nah play part. Me nah compete, me elevate. Me soul me nah negotiate. Me a Rasta Born, hear me song and know that peace can grow where love flows slow. Me walk with fire but me burn fi heal. Each chant me sing, me spirit feel. Me sight Babylon truck pan TV once. Them loud and fast but empty response. Me rather the quiet of coconut fall than the noise of wall after wall. Me play rhythm in a twilight haze. Me hand clap praise, me mindset blaze. Me sistering bring fruits, I'll in a basket weave. Me say, love live long when you believe. Children run laugh by the river bend. Me see hope where some say end. Me not preach, me just live so. And hope say the world go flow. So if you're tired of the race and chase, come find me in a still place where herb grow wild and music live. Where you not take your gift.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Where let the session begin, Zion. Foot on the early dew. Me carry urban art so true. Me sip altal from coconut shell. Inna the hills where Jaja dwell. The breeze it whisper ancient lore of prophets chanting from before. Under the mango tree me sit. With wisdom leave me mind get lit. Roots and smoke, fire blaze high. Lift me soul pan the mountain sky. Burn the chalice, cleanse the sight. Zion call me to the heights. The lion roar from deep within. Me chant psalms and shed me skin. No gold, no chain, just nature round. Rasta soul to earth is bound. Meditation in a misty morn. A higher life me now reborn. With every draw me spirit grow. In ganja fire me shoots overflow. Roots and smoke, fire blaze high. Lift me soul pan the mountain sky. Burn the chalice, cleanse the sight. Zion call me to the heights. Roots and smoke, fire blaze high. Lift me soul pan the mountain sky. Burn the chalice, cleanse the sight. Zion call me to the heights. No need for clock, no need for race. Me find me rhythm, me sacred place. Me plant the seed, me water well. Me life a prayer, me mind no dwell. Me dreadlocks swaying in the breeze. Me soul connected to the trees. Me hear the drums, me feel the beat. The earth it move beneath me feet. Smoke rise up in a sacred ring. Me reason with bird and every wing. Rasta way, no just a fad. It's how me live, and me give thanks to that. Zion I me nah go fall. Rasta rise above them all. Peace and ganja, love and light. Me ride the rhythm deep in the night. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Deep in the night. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Deep in the night.
forevermore.
Morning rise, the sky is so bright. Son of Zion, bring the light. Every shadow fade away. Sun declare a righteous day. Babylon throne can't withstand. Son of Jah, shine the land. Every ray of prophecy. Sun illuminate eternity. Children laughing golden flame. Sun exalt Jah holy name. Elders chant with joyful sound. Son of Zion spread around. Not of violence, not of war. Sun bring peace forevermore. Every field begin to grow. Son of Zion blessed below. Desert bloom, the river shine. Son of Zion, pure divine. Traveler lost upon the road. Sun reveal the righteous code. No man strong enough to hide. Son of Jah, forever guide. Generation see the sign. Son of Zion, brighter line. Through the storm, Son of Zion still perform. Babylon crumble, wall decay. Son of Jah light the way. Every heart a fire burn. Son of Zion always return. Morning glory, endless flame. Sun proclaim Jah mighty name. Far horizon, east to west. Son of Zion, never rest. Every nation, every race. Son of Zion, shine with grace. Everlasting